or the milk jug in the Duchess Westminster series is what we're going to show you in this video. A nice half-pint bulbous bottom, slightly nipped or wasted milk jug. You see this quite a wide base, and then you've got these beautiful, couldn't be better labelled, could it? Duchess Westminster is the design, Duchess is the Bone China factory, still in production obviously, and 560. I don't think they're making Westminster. This is a period piece from the 60s, 70s into the early 80s. Lovely mouldings on it, palpable, almost ribbed, but you can feel these indents just around the moulded wall of it. Lovely rolling scalloped rim, again with a little bit of moulding just coming up here. You can see that little sort of triangle where it arches up from the indent, and then a lovely big large handle. Gilt condition on this is absolutely fantastic, as you can see, no wear on it at all, and the condition of the glaze, just look at the reflection in the light there, really nice and bright. So a lovely replacement piece. Duchess Westminster, number in their patent catalogue is 560, in near mint condition, and a fantastic buy for somebody. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website. Links will be in the description below, and hopefully a product photographic link taking you directly through to the website. All the information you'd need to make your decision, size, condition, everything is on the website, so do browse over. Have a look through the Duchess Westminster range. We've got sugar bowls, teacup trios, and a teapot, I think, coming online over the next couple of days. Thanks for watching.